Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. This is what's jumping in my pot today. Bang Bang Salmon Bites. And on the side, I'm going to make rice pilaf. Let's get to it. Okay, this is the first thing we're going to do. I have the salmon here, and I got it cut up into cubes. Now, we're going to season it. Onion powder, paprika, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, black pepper, and salt. Now I'm going to mix this up. And then I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and let it set for 10 minutes. Now we're going to make the Bang Bang sauce. Gonna add the mayonnaise, the Thai sweet chili.
So this dish is very similar to Bang Bang Strip, but just with salmon.
Yes.
Yeah, that's seems like. Well, salmon is my favorite fish, so this should come out pretty good.
Sriracha, soy sauce, honey.
This is naturally a very spicy dish.
Well, the honey evens the hotness out, and minced garlic.
Which don't necessarily bother me because I like spicy anyhow. So
Then we mix this up together. Very simple, quick and easy.
and this is another quick weeknight dish. From basically what you was telling me earlier off camera. So this should be easy for anybody to make during the week. If they come in from work, school, you just want to put it together.
I'm going to take the salmon out of the refrigerator, and now I'm going to add half of the sauce. Then we're going to toss it up with a large spoon. I have a sheet pan here lined with parchment paper and a little oil on it. I'm going to add the pieces to the sheet pan.
Oh, so this goes in the oven.
Yes, for about 15 minutes.
You know, the original version of this dish, the Bang Bang Shrimp, came out in the early 2000s as actually a Americanized version of a Chinese dish from Sichuan province. And a restaurant named the Bonefish Grill came out with Bang Bang Shrimp. And they added the mayonnaise chili sauce base to create this version of the dish. And that's the one that ended up becoming popular here in America.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Because the Chinese version of the dish is a little bit different. It doesn't use mayonnaise. It just uses just the soy sauce base and Szechuan spices.
Now we're going to pop this in the oven for about 15 minutes. My oven is set to 380. Now we're going to make the rice pilaf. I have some oil in this here Dutch oven, and I have some minced onions. We're going to saute this up for about 30 seconds till it gets soft. Then we're going to add some butter, unsalted butter.
It being unsalted is important.
Because you're going to add salt into the pilaf rice, and if you put salted butter, it might be over salted because salt is in the butter.
I can see how that works. And remember, everybody, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thanks.
Now I'm going to add the rice to this pot because we want to toast the rice up a little bit with the onion.
And let me add to what I just said, the ingredients for both recipes, not just the salmon rice, the rice pilaf also.
Now we're going to add the orzo to the pot. Going to mix this up.
I like rice pilaf a lot. It's a good dish.
We're going to add some paprika, garlic powder, black pepper, and salt. And we're going to mix this up. We're going to let everything toast up together first before we add anything else. Now we're going to add the chicken broth, unsalted chicken broth.
That's to keep the dish low sodium as well, so you don't oversalt it like you said earlier.
And some fresh parsley. We stir this up. And we let it cook for about 25 minutes. We cover it up after it boils. It comes to a rapid boil. Then we lower the stove and let it simmer and cover it. It's all served up. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. And I will see you soon with another video. Oh, yes, and check out some of my older videos in the screen below. Bye. Hit that like button, and I'll see you soon.